by the World Crafts Council. I welcome the distinguished guests who have graced the award ceremony with their presence. I take this opportunity to thank Mr. Sadal Kadumi and appreciate the contribution of World Crafts Council for preservation and promotion of the unique cultural and artistic heritage across the world. I wish to commend the efforts of Handloom and Handicraft Department, our artisans, working under the overall supervision of Department of Industries and Commerce for leading the change in this vital sector of our economy. In 2021, Srinagar city was designated as Creative City by UNESCO Creative City Network for Crafts and Folk Arts. This empowered our artisans and contributed to holistic and sustainable development of Srinagar. I am glad that within 3 years, Srinagar city was able to add one more feather in its cap and became one of the 4 cities of the country that have been awarded this prestigious title of World Craft City. Friends, I believe in honoring the Srinagar city. The World Crafts Council has also honored the 5,000-year rich Indian civilization, which kept alive creative traditions and always promoted gifted artisans for their ingenuity and craftsmanship. From that perspective, if you look at Jammu Kashmir, you will see an inclusive cultural ecosystem which has always inspired the weavers and craft people. Jammu Kashmir is known as Crown Jewel of India, not because of its geographical position, but because of its quest for spiritual salvation and its ageless cultural assets, which can be witnessed in the infinite variety of creative products. And I am happy to see this beautiful union territory is fast turning into a hub for handmade products, smart city management, and education. Srinagar and Jammu, the 2 mega cities of the Union Territory in particular, is promoting variety of tangible art forms and have achieved new milestones in innovation and excellence for quality living. I want to see Jammu and Kashmir becoming the best art cities of India. I want to see both the cities claim the title of best home for the artists and favorable destination for seekers of priceless art. We are committed to support the artisans in marketing and exports of handicrafts, handloom products, and promotion of all craft forms. We are also giving greater attention to training of young generation of craftspeople so they can be part of this traditional occupation. We are also determined to ensure that their creative products are financially attractive and the work is professionally satisfying. I am sure this recognition will not only provide a new identity to Srinagar in the global market, but craftsmanship will re-establish its position as a prestigious occupation. मित्रों, हमारी संस्कृति में कला और शिल्प को उच्चतम मूल्य हायर वैल्यूज माना गया है। अगर हम हायर वैल्यूज और शुद्ध चरित्र न हों तो सृजन संभव नहीं है, और इसलिए हमारे यहाँ कहा जाता है कि आर्टिजन समाज के सबसे जागृत लोग होते हैं जिनके भीतर जीवन ऊर्जा अपनी पराकाष्ठा को प्राप्त करती है। हर एक आर्टिजन सही मायने में देखा जाए तो वो सृजन करता है, सृष्टा है, जो छोटे छोटे बारीक धागों को सोना बना सकता है। कनीसाल हो, सोजनी हो, पेपर मासे हो, वॉलनट वुड कार्विंग हो या कला शिल्प की अन्य विधाएं हों, आर्टिजन्स उन सभी में एक नई जीवंतता पैदा करने की क्षमता रखता है। और इसलिए प्रशासन का ये प्रयास है कि क्राफ्ट्स के संरक्षण और उसे ग्लोबल मार्केट तक पहुंचाने के अभियान में जुटे सभी आर्टिजन्स को अधिक से अधिक सुविधाएं मिल सकें। इसी कड़ी में पिछले वर्ष जून में 32 नए क्राफ्ट नोटिफाई किए गए थे। आज कुल मिलाकर रजिस्टर्ड क्राफ्ट्स की संख्या 60 हो गई है। डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ हैंडलूम और हैंडीक्राफ्ट के साथ लगभग 3,80,000 रजिस्टर्ड आर्टिजन्स हैं जो हस्तशिल्प की महान परंपरा से प्रत्यक्ष रूप से जुड़े हुए हैं, और उसमें भी 76,000 हस्तशिल्प कलाकार पश्मीना से, 55,000 कारपेट वीविंग से जुड़े हैं। मैं जानता हूं कलाकारों की इन कृतियों का वास्तविक मूल्य ग्लोबल मार्केट में मिल रही कीमत से कहीं ज़्यादा है।